Discover English magic with Malik. Introduction. Hi, language friends. Welcome to English with Malik. The coolest place to learn and have fun with language. I'm Malik, your guide on this language journey. Channel overview. Here, learning English is like an exciting adventure. English with Malik is not just a channel, it's a group of friends who love learning and talking in English. Unique approach. At English with Malik, we make learning just for you. Our lessons are made for everyone, whether you're just starting or already know a bit of English. Varied content. We talk about everything, from how sentences work to how to have a good chat. Enjoy interesting stories, learn cool sayings, and find out how to say words just right, all in one place. Cultural immersion. But we don't just talk about English. We also explore different countries and cultures. Learn about the special ways people talk and improve your English while having fun with the world. Community interaction. English with Malik is not just about videos. It's a fun group where friends meet, share ideas, and grow together. Join our live talks, talk with us, and see how fun learning can be. Conclusion. So, if you want to make your English journey awesome, press the subscribe button. And let's start this language adventure together. English with Malik - where talking and learning go hand in hand. Subscribe now and let's start learning.